Framing, in construction, is the fitting together of pieces to give a structure support and shape. Framing materials are usually wood, engineered wood, or structural steel. The alternative to framed construction is generally called mass wall construction, where horizontal layers of stacked materials such as log building, masonry, render earth, adobe, etc. are used without framing. Building framing is divided into two broad categories: heavy frame construction. Heavy framing, if the vertical supports are few and heavy, such as in timber framing, pole building framing, or steel framing. Or light frame construction. Light framing, if the supports are more numerous and smaller, such as balloon, platform, or light steel framing. Light frame construction using standardized dimensional lumber has become the dominant construction method in North America and Australia due to the economy of the method. Use of minimal structural material allows builders to enclose a large area at minimal cost while achieving a wide variety of architectural styles. Modern light frame structures usually gain strength from rigid panels, plywood and other plywood-like composites such as oriented strand board, OSB, used to form all or part of wall sections, but until recently carpenters employed various forms of diagonal bracing to stabilize walls. Diagonal bracing remains a vital interior part of many roof systems, and in-wall braces are required by building codes in many municipalities or by individual state laws in the United States. Special frame shear walls are becoming more common to help buildings meet the requirements of earthquake engineering and wind engineering. Wall framing in house construction includes the vertical and horizontal members of exterior walls and interior partitions, both of bearing walls and non-bearing walls. These stick members, referred to as studs, wall plates and lintels, sometimes called headers, serve as a nailing base for all covering material and support the upper floor platforms, which provide the lateral strength along a wall. The platforms may be the boxed structure of a ceiling and roof, or the ceiling and floor joists of the story above. In the building trades, the technique is variously referred to as stick and frame, stick and platform, or stick and box, as the sticks, studs, give the structure its vertical support, and the box-shaped floor sections with joists contained within length-long post and lintels, more commonly called headers, support the weight of whatever is above, including the next wall up and the roof above the top story. Wall sheathing, usually a plywood or other laminate, is usually applied to the framing prior to erection, thus eliminating the need to scaffold, and again increasing speed and cutting manpower needs and expenses. Some types of exterior sheathing, such as asphalt-impregnated fiberboard, plywood, oriented strand board and wafer board, will provide adequate bracing to resist lateral loads and keep the wall square.